I guess siguro yung one theme that I really like. And that is also one thing that they always mention in their own way. Big fish, small pond. But they said it's like something about the stream
Small
na
Yeah.
small
stream.
stream, something like that.
Na may
Na,
dragon pa.
oo, na may dragon. But in relation to the sisters. Because I feel like sila talaga yung heart and soul din nung show. Yung relationship ng tatlong magkakapatid. And how they transformed their lives from being these three precocious girls na akala nung mga kapitbahay nila hindi na mag-aasawa kasi alam mo yun, may kanya-kanya silang despicable personalities when they were younger. Oo. Alam mo yun, mga pasaway, mga palaban, yung hindi sila hometown girls. Alam mo yun, they're meant to go out. Alam mo yun. And then they all come back to their home because yun nga, they faced a form of failure outside of Jeju in Seoul. So I really like that. Parang that's really the journey na I also latched into as well.
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa.
And in relation to that, like, strong
Mm-mm.
women. Like, yun talaga, na parang,
Exactly.
lalo na
Mm-mm.
yung, syempre, yung head nung mga henyo, yung nanay nila, 'di ba? Sobrang
Oo.
favorite ko talaga nung nasa ospital siya, tas parang pinapagalitan na siya ng lahat, hanggang sa yung asawa
Mm-mm.
niya na very submissive sa kanya. Siya na yung parang pumasok na sa loob, na sinigawan niya, makinig ka sa mga anak mo! Sinabi na nga,
Oo.
makinig ka! Cut
Correct.
to next scene, uuwi na sila ng bahay. Parang gano'n.
Oo.
Correct.
Sabi niya,
Totoo.
dati nag-work siya sa
Actually.
kanya, pero hindi pala. I mean, not
Mm-mm.
naman saying na dapat yung mga lalaki under the saya. I mean, sorry to use such an outdated term. But I just love how the women really took the forefront here, na walang halong parang pagkikriticize na yung babae kasi kapag siya yung nasusunod, pumapangit yung buhay. Or something like that. So, something na
Oo.
nakaka-negative nun. Because it was just accepted in this community where, you know, female divers are like the main source of economy.
That is
So, parang accepted
true.
lang natin yung babae nagpapatakbo ng mundo
Correct.
dito. I love that so
Mm-mm.
much.
And I love
This
na
was
yung
a
youngest child became a henyo din.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Kumbaga para I feel like of the three sisters kasi she was the one who was really in limbo in a way.
Oo.
Parang walang exact
Yeah.
path. Kasi at least si Jindal kasi parang she was trying to get back her job. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Palaban pa
Yeah.
rin siya. Of course, Samdal, medyo may issue siya and shit. Siya yung parang medyo, you know, she didn't know what to do. Except become a mother, I guess. Kasi yun yung last na pinanghawakan niya.
Oo.
And then, all of a sudden, no, I wanna become a henyo. And that is my
Yes.
choice. I'm not doing it because of
Yes.
you. I'm not doing it because of my child. It's because I want to do it. This
Me.
is gonna be my
Correct.
dream. Pero ako like, go girl.
Kahit na surprise na swimmer pala siya, parang towards the end,
Correct.
swimmer pala
Actually,
siya.
Correct.
Oo nga.
Actually.
So, ako rin naman, ay,
Actually.
sure pala siya.
Di ba
Kaya nga
parang
meron
cafe,
siyang
ano
line
siya,
siya, parang, hindi
waitress,
halata
gano'n.
sa akin. Correct.
Oo.
May line siya na
Correct,
parang hindi
correct.
halata pero swimmer ako dati. Girl, hindi talaga halata.
Hindi talaga never nabanggit man lang. Wala ka man lang
Oo.
shot na nagsiswimming ka bago
Correct.
ka mag-part-time
Correct.
job. Ganun.
Actually.
Correct. Totoo.
But she was
Nakakatawa yun.
introduced talaga din, I mean, since the beginning,
Mm.
as the mother. The one who
Oo.
became a mother. Which
Oo.
I liked. I mean, actually, out of all the themes, parang yung three sisters would be my favorite. I mean, me pa being part of a three sisterhood.
That
I
is
have
true.
2 other sisters. And like, I mean, I have two brothers then. Pero kaming tatlo, definitely were the closest.
Mm.
And alam mo yung iba-iba talagang characters, iba-ibang dreams, and
Mm-mm.
just the dynamics of them, parang super nakarelate. Tapos, ang gusto ko pa dun sa youngest, parang talagang gusto niya din maging nanay. Alam mo yun? So,
Mm.
parang I love na napakita talaga the different kinds of dreams of
Oo.
women in a
Oo.
way, 'di ba? Parang merong yun, nagsisikap na maging sikat or magaling sa isang craft. May isa na actually si Jindal medyo any siya, pero parang alam mo yung naturally magaling lang siya in anything.
Oo.
Mm.
But I feel like she actually has like the biggest heart of them all kasi parang to be part of that relationship, yung anak ng Chebol, alam mo
Oo.
yun, when medyo komplikado and
Oo.
really,
Nilaban,
sorry but
nilabanan
he's
pa
not like
niya.
the most looker,
Not
pero
at all.
nilalaban niya. Alam mo yun, kumbaga parang she saw him as something worth loving. not naman that all people are
Something
worth loving.
talaga.
Pero kumbaga ganon, something,
naman siya.
someone, mali, sorry,